Best deals.
1. Ghee pot. Made from stainless steel, which is a durable and non-reactive material that does not impart any taste. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Toilet brush. Refill heads are preloaded with toilet cleaner which will be released after soaking the brush head in water, helping you thoroughly clean the upper toilet area, around the bowl, and far into the U-bend of the toilet. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oil dispenser. Ergonomically designed body with special nozzle design pours oil accurately without wastage. Oil dispenser is designed with lead-free glass and it's stylish. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cake mold. This round cake mold has deep sides and non-stick coating for easy release and cleanup. Bake delicious cakes in the sturdy non-stick cake mold using microwave oven or OTG. Durable aluminum ensures even cooking, optimal browning, and easy release of baked goods. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Peeler. Built-in sharpener for effortless peeling. The sharp features a unique protective cover with a ceramic ball sharpener that hones the blade every time you open or close it. A game changer for any vegetable peeler for kitchen use. Equipped with a razor-sharp Japanese steel blade that swivels smoothly to reduce waste while peeling everything from carrots to potatoes. Dishwasher safe and rust-resistant. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mixing bowl. You can use these glass mixing bowls to serve dals, sabzis and curries, refrigerate leftovers, reheat meals in the microwave, bake in the oven, mix batters for cakes and pancakes, whisk eggs, set puddings in the fridge. Bowls can be used for reheating in the microwave or for baking in the oven. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Stand mixer. Equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. This stand mixer is equipped with Hall IC control 6 speeds with pulse function. Hall IC helps in precision control of motor RPM, thus ensuring consistent results and longer motor life. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Shelf. Made from high-grade steel and 7-layer black-coated powder. It has strong built structure. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Vibration pads. Made of resin fiber plastic, featuring excellent load-bearing capacity, toughness, and wear resistance. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Peeler. Made from the highest quality stainless steel with razor-sharp blades and an anti-cut design. Peels smoothly, quickly, and safely. Perfect for peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Travel bottles. Set includes 4 PCS 90 ml squeeze silicone travel bottles and 4 PCS 40 ml cream jars, providing a complete solution for organizing and carrying your essential liquids and creams. Perfectly designed to accommodate a variety of items, from shampoos and lotions. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Spice rack. Made from durable carbon steel, this rotating vegetable rack is waterproof, rust-proof, and built to last. Its sturdy design ensures stability, making it perfect for organizing kitchen items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Table cover. This crystal clear table protector is completely transparent, allowing you to showcase the beauty of your tabletops. It also protects your furniture from scratches, scuffs, stains, spills, and damaged edges. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Stool. Made from high-quality, unbreakable plastic ensuring strength, stability, and long-term use at home, office. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaning mop. With its large 18-inch base can cover a lot of areas in a single scan, clean in high efficiency with less effort. Industrial grade mop, stainless steel handle which withstands friction and frequent use. The mop head is made of solid aluminum alloy. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Lunch box. Made from good quality food grade stainless steel, which makes it durable and strong. Pack is suitable for school, office, hiking, outing, has very slim design. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Table cover. Eye-catching green and orange colors to enhance your dining table's aesthetics. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Teapot pot. The fine luxury golden finishing not only elevates its aesthetic appeal but also ensures rust resistance and easy maintenance. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Gardening tools. Designed with industrial-grade metal and heavy-duty plastic, all tools built to last over many uses. Perfect for sustainable, professional-like garden maintenance. Each tool is crafted to bring you ease of use with ergonomically designed non-slip, comfortable handles. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Salad spinner. Experience the convenience of dryer, ready-to-eat greens in no time with our dynamic vegetable spinner and dryer. With one simple action, control the top pump to swiftly remove excess water from your lettuce in seconds. Ready-to-eat greens for your salad, it's that easy. Its efficient design of vegetable dryer spinner means no more waiting for greens to air dry. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Steamer. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Embrace the freedom of mobility with our ultra-light and compact electric kettle. Ideal for on-the-go moms, it's a game-changer for quick, hot meals and beverages anywhere, anytime. Not just for hot drinks, this kettle is a boon for boiling eggs and preparing a variety of quick meals, making it a multi-purpose tool in your culinary arsenal. Bid farewell to scrubbing in stuck-on food. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures a swift cleanup, keeping your kettle pristine after every use. With its built-in dry boil protection, this kettle automatically shuts off when empty, ensuring safety in your busy kitchen. A reliable feature for peace of mind, perfect for multitasking moms, this kettle strikes the perfect balance between rapid heating and energy efficiency, making it an eco-conscious choice for the modern household. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect travel companion for holidays, business trips, or outdoor adventures, ensuring you always have access to hot meals and drinks. Celebrated by users for its reliability, ease of use, and versatility, it's a proven essential for students, travelers, and busy parents, affirming its value and functionality. Product link is given in the 21st link.